What's going on, Dave? And welcome back. Today we got 4 sets: Silver Tempest, Lost Order, Brilliant Stars, Astral, all from the Sword and Shield era. Gonna do this video with these 4 sets. I got 4 of each. If you don't know why I'm doing this video, it's a personal one. Gotta do it. If not, check out the last video I did. You'll have a better understanding why I'm doing this one. Hope we get some pulls. Should be a great video, but we're gonna get straight into it. But if you haven't already and you thinking about doing it, hit that subscribe, leave a like and a comment during the video, and make sure your notification bell is on so you'll be the first to be updated with these videos and understand why exactly I do them and the reason why I'm doing this one specifically. We're gonna start off with Astral. We're gonna go straight across, so in order. So let's get straight into it. Yep, hit the camera a little bit. So, all right, let's straighten it out. There we go. All right, let's get straight into our first pack of Astral Radiance here. Let me pull something good out of this one. Got up and had to do this one. All right, there you go. There. Go forward to the front here. Gotta go the umbrella. Try and get any of those alt arts, and all 4 of these sets do have a trainer gallery, so we should be able to get something. Let's see. Okay. Charizard, you know we're coming for you. Let's see if we just get that big boy. It's kind of tough today. Alright, hope they're not as tough as the pools today, though. Last video was very interesting, as y'all can see. Not go back and check that one out for sure. Alright. Infinite. Trash, keep it kind of neat here. All right, let's get into first pack of Lost Origin. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy ripping it and seeing it for the first time with y'all. See what I get out of here. See what we can reduce. All right. Got a Rotom V for our very first hit. Not too bad there. All right, first pack of Silver Tempest Lugia pack art. Nice code card there. Y'all know what we're going for. I got a cute code card there. 4 to the front here. Alright. Leaf. Stones on there. Cruncho. Got a Rotom. To a gold. Beast Max into a Regio. That is a nice pack there out of Silver Tempest. Not for sure if these are the guard packs or not, or the crack packs. I know I do have some. Just reached in and grabbed 4. Not for sure. Don't really. I guess when I got them, I didn't realize I actually had them. So it could be possible that, but that was a black border cue card, but that is a double hit right there, and I'm not complaining. Hopefully all of them are. Right. Another backwards code card is a white one out of Astral Radiance here. Okay. Reverse. Put on. Alright. Radiant stars. That cleared up. These packs are tough today. Maybe I need to hit the gym a little bit more, huh? As much as I rip these packs, you'll think I just tear straight through them. Alright, there you go. Gloves. DD. No, that's actually a cool looking card though. Let's say. Alright, Lost Origin. See what you doing here. Second pack here. Export code there. Let's see. It is on that card. Alright, that's the lady. Slime Growler, Ducklet, Rockruff to a Reverse Raichu, into a Magnezone V-Star. Okay, I'll take it. I'll definitely take that. Alright, second pack of Silver Tempest. That all art Lugia. Got a white border cue card here, as y'all can see. Now, these are the cracked packs. They will have a hit regardless. We'll see how this one goes. Maybe they're mixed up. Maybe I picked up 4 good ones. Energy. Play down. Hypno. Volpex. Drowsy. Growler. Is one more. See, it has a trainer. It could have a trainer gun. A smell into a Lance, full art trainer. So I'm guessing these were the cracked packs of Silver Tempest. Very, very nice. And if that's the case, it's gonna be kind of hard for anything else to beat that. As you see, 2 packs, 2 hits. Let's get into our third pack of Astral Radiance. Make sure y'all hitting that like button, man. If I get 100 likes, 200 likes, this is 200 likes on this video, I'll give y'all insight of what exactly packs or sleeve packs or sealed product that those come out of. There's definitely multiples you can get, but I know exactly where it came from because I know what sealed product I opened, and hopefully all of them are that, because that'd be great for the video. All right, so we didn't get anything on that one. You know, some of this bulk here. To second to last brilliant stars here. I might just do a video on all those Silver Tempests also of opening cracked packs, because I could kind of figure out which ones it is, which ones, you know, came from different ETBs or so. But I don't know, it was my luck today of just grabbing 4 single packs. All right. Into a Gramble V. It's a pretty cool looking card there. Pretty skilled if you look at it too fast, but No need to be scared. Alright, Lost Origin. One of my favorite. I have pulled the alt art from Garrison, but I would not complain about another one. So right there. Alright. Thornton. Let's experiment. Molly. Spinneret. And 2. Alright. So, can we get 4 packs of cracked packs? Let's see what our third one produces. Really doesn't matter about the cue cards, just still want to show it though. So it is a black one, so you should be guaranteed at least a hollow. Fire energy, so you know I have to pull fire. Something fire out of this. Okay. Mola, red tight, Durant, into a Maui V-Star. I think the trick is if it is a white cue card but has a Radiant in that reverse spot, that you might have a chance to pull a alt art. Yeah, that one acted kind of weird there. These Astral Radiance packs has been kind of weird. Put all the cue cards, code cards backwards, so might have been a reprint or a last print run. So kind of got lazy with the printing machine. Well, I hope they didn't repackage them, you know, because I didn't get a hit out of that at all. But that's fine. We'll keep going. Got last pack of Breeding Stars here. Let me know what y'all think in those comments. Are those crack pack silver Tempest packs? Would y'all want to know how to possibly find those, or what product you get those out of? I know they have certain tins and certain blisters, certain sleeves, singles, but those specifically that I have, I know exactly what they came out of. So we get a Pikachu V full art. That is a beautiful card out of Breeding Star. Most definitely gonna enjoy this Pikachu here. Very nice, very, very nice Pikachu full art. That is very nice coming out of Breeding Stars. All right, last pack of Lost Origin. Alrighty then, it is a nice code card. Can we pull that Giratina alt art, or the Aerodactyl alt art? So we get a water energy. So, right. Yes. Oh, electric. That's a reverse into just a hollow. Alright. So let's get to this last pack of Silver Tempest here. Let's see if this is a crack pack. Let's see if this could get 200 likes. Let's see if this could gain some new subscribers to the channel. Let's see what it can do. Let's get it open here. Alright. So it's a black or a cue card, so we will not know if it was necessarily a crack pack, because you're guaranteed at least a hollow or better. But let's see. Got a psychic energy. We'll check that little Police Zubat. Got a Fungus, Sandy Gas to a reverse Radiant Jirachi into just a V, Restroom V. But as you can see, you did get a double hit out of that. And I'm definitely not complaining about that at all. So, if we could get this video 200 likes and some new subscribers on the channel, I'll definitely open up at least 10 packs of the crack packs. I do believe those were it. And look how many hits we got out of these packs here. Got some beautiful arts here. Beautiful, beautiful cards here. We'll put those to the top here. Let's go. Put that to the back. Got a beautiful Lance. Beautiful Pikachu. V-Stars. Got a V-Max. And just some beautiful, beautiful cards here. So, put that right into the back there for now. Just maneuver some stuff. Alright, we'll go like that for now. But, yeah, if you like this video just as much as I like ripping it and enjoying it with y'all, make sure you hit those buttons. That like, subscribe, leave a comment, notification bells on. And until next time, peace, Daily Fam.